Alright, just got off of work. About to head up to Locomotives again and work on the board more. Let's go.
Get a drink, have a good time now. Go to paradise, paradise.
Remember that I parked on the 3rd level and not the 2nd or the 1st. Whew, it's crazy today. I don't know what's going on. Look at this madness. There's more police. Where's Buddy? Oh, he's not even in this particular room. Well, since I can't find Buddy, that other piece is finally finished. Just needs to be peeled off. Gotta find Buddy. Where is he at? But still, nobody has told me what is going on. Look how many cars there are. I've never seen this much traffic coming this way. There's police over there. Police right side outside this door. Police down there. Don't know what's going on today. They found Buddy.
Hey.
But you guys are gonna get some work done while
You get some work done.
while I get some work done. It's just about work. Seeing how busy it is outside. It's a Marine Corps marathon and health convention. The traffic out there it's not bad, but like not used to.
It's terrible. It took me forever.
I'm not used to all of this going on out here. Usually nobody uses this street. But let's get some work done.
Do it.
I got this thing off of the printer. That's back on. Hopefully it prints right here and not right here. Done. Now I just gotta get it off. Got it. So it's the evolution. Printed this one out first. No. Printed this thing out first. That was the first design on Tinkercad. And this was Fusion 360. Now this is the version 3 of it. And now I just have to make one that can take these trucks on it and put it on here. Just gotta get this cleaned up. Nice and smooth now. Kinda just needs some light sanding now. Okay, now that it's smoothed out, it's basically just done. I need to make it smaller now so that it kind of matches up with the skateboard, the tech deck. So I can put trucks, take these trucks off and put it on one of these boards. 1, 2, 3. And this is step 4, I guess. Yeah. So that's all I'm gonna do today.